Meron tong sa Japan. Japan ba ito? Na magazine. I think it's a free magazine. Pagkakataon na sana natin na para sumikat tayo sa Japan, yung tourism industry natin. Sa halip, nakalagay dito, ikaw ng ikaw.
I did not pay for that magazine. No government funds were used for that magazine, and my consent was never obtained in the use of my image for that magazine. That being said, I wish to clarify that the Department of Tourism maintains two social media sites. One is the corporate site, which reports on the activities of the agency as well as the head of its agency.
Paliwanag naman ni Frasco sa tarpaulin niya sa isang paliparan na tinukoy niyang nasa Boracay Island, ito ay para lang i-welcome siya sa pagbisita niya roon.
Perhaps if it is the pleasure of the senator that I no longer visit our destinations or that there be no coverage of the same, we can take that into serious consideration. But as far as my understanding,
of course, ma'am, you can visit. Why not? Yeah, I would even, people will appreciate you going there so that makita mo on the ground kung ano yung mga kulang, ano yung mga kailangang gawin, etc. But what we are saying here, ma'am, please, huwag mo i-promote yung sarili mo. Pag pupunta ka sa lugar, kung ano yung mga kulang doon, punahin mo and then punuan mo. Yung po yung point ng mga netizens na lumapit po sa akin. Okay? It has nothing to do about you.